The last thing that we have to work on is deleting a product. So let's do that. Let me stop the application here, go to product controller. Let me copy everything we have for edit and paste it one more time. I will call this product delete. We will retrieve the ID of the product that we want to delete. We will get that product details and display that inside the view. Once the user confirms it, we will delete that inside the product delete post action method. We will retrieve the complete model here, but inside the method, which is delete product async, we just need to pass the product ID. Once we do that, if the response is successful, we will redirect back to the index action. So this looks good. Let's create this product delete view. Copy that, paste it here, and this will be same as product edit. So copy this and paste it right here. The action will be product delete, and we will not need any validations. So we can remove all the validations. Here, this will be delete and class will be btn danger. We'll display delete product. Let me go to edit, and here this will be edit product. Perfect. Then if we go back to our delete, I want to make sure all of the fields are disabled here. So let me copy that and paste it for all the inputs. Perfect. Looks great. Let me run the application and test the delete functionality as well. We go to product. We have the new product. Let's delete that. So when we try to delete, we are getting an error message. Response here is null. I want you to pause the video and try to find out what is the error right here. Just to give you a hint, the error is inside the API and not inside the web project. Okay, I hope you were able to figure out what is the error. But how do we actually debug and find that out? Like I've said before, you should always examine the base service and the response that you get. Add a debugging point and let's run our project one more time. We will go to our product, continue the first time. We'll try to delete, continue the first time. It loads the data. Let's try to delete and press F10. You can see the response here is status code 405, method not allowed. Usually you get that when the method actually exists, but for some reason it is not being allowed to call that. And in our case, that is exactly the case. The reason behind that is if we go to our API, which is the product API controller, and examine the delete method right here, you can see we are passing an ID, but here we have not updated that route. So inside route, we had to define that ID will be passed right here. Once you do that, let's run the application one more time, and this time everything should work as expected. We'll go to product and we'll delete a product. Great, you can see that product has been removed. So with this, our CRUD operations on product are working as expected and everything looks good for this section. Let's continue from the next section.